In this video, I will show you how to remove a background in Canva. So let's jump straight into it. So I'm going to go through two methods with you. First, I'm going to go through how to do it with the paid version of Canva, and I'm also going to go through an alternative method if you don't have the paid version of Canva. So as you can see, I'm currently here on Canva and I've got this picture of a cat, which what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add this into our document here. So I'm just going to make this a good size. And what I'll do is show you first of all how to do this with the paid version of Canva. So what you're going to want to do if you have the paid version of Canva is make sure you've selected the picture that you want to remove a background from. And if you come up to the top, you're going to see this button to edit photo. Go ahead and give that a click. And it's going to load up a toolbar on the left hand side. Now, if you look underneath Magic Studio up here, you've got something called the BG remover, of course, the background remover. So all you need to do is go ahead and click onto this. As I mentioned, this is only available in the paid version of Canva. And what it's going to do is automatically remove the background, as you can see. Now you can edit this further if you want to, just by coming back to the icon, clicking up here, and what you can do is erase or restore parts of the image using the appropriate buttons here. So I can go ahead and add part of the background back if I want to, and I can select erase, and you can change the brush size as well to make it bigger, just to make it easier to delete like this. So that is the first way of how to remove a background in Canva using the paid version of Canva. Now, if you do have the free version, there's a website you can come to called remove.bg that looks like this. What you want to do is come across to here and press the blue upload image button, then go ahead and select your image. And what it's going to do is the same sort of thing. So you can see we've got the original here and we've got the remove background here. Of course, it does this automatically, and what you can do is go ahead and download this image from here. And that is how to go ahead and remove a background of an image in Canva. So I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.